Looking to land a job in Canada? Your first step is writing a resume that Canadian employers will love. In this video, we'll break down the perfect Canadian-style resume, what to include, what to avoid, and how to make your resume stand out. The first thing you need is the correct resume format. In Canada, a reverse chronological resume is the most widely accepted. This format highlights your most recent experience at the top, followed by older roles. Employers prefer this structure because it shows them what you're currently capable of. Keep your resume between 1 to 2 pages. Canadian employers value concise, relevant information. Use professional fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman in 10 to 12 points. Stick to simple, easy-to-read layouts, avoid fancy designs. Sections to include are contact information, professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. Next is your professional summary. This is your elevator pitch to the employer. In 2 to 3 sentences, highlight your key qualifications, relevant experience, and career goals. Tailor this to each job you apply for. Mention your current role, years of experience, and any key skills relevant to the job. Here's a good example. Experienced marketing professional with over 5 years in digital campaign management. Proven ability to increase brand awareness and drive customer engagement through SEO, social media, and content marketing strategies. The work experience section is the most important part of your resume. Employers want to see what roles you've had and the impact you made. List your jobs in reverse chronological order and focus on achievements, not just responsibilities. For each role, include your job title, company name, location, and dates of employment. Instead of just listing responsibilities, highlight key accomplishments with quantifiable results. Use bullet points for clarity. Start each bullet point with action verbs like led, implemented, designed, or optimized. These show you're proactive and results-driven. Here's an example. Increase social media engagement by 40% over 6 months through targeted content and strategic ad campaigns. Now, let's talk about the skills section. This is where you showcase the key technical and soft skills that make you a great candidate. Focus on skills relevant to the job you're applying for. Hard skills are technical abilities like proficiency in a software or coding languages. Soft skills are things like teamwork, communication, or leadership. Look at the job posting and include skills the employer specifically mentions, like project management or data analysis. Examples of hard skills are Microsoft Excel, JavaScript, SEO. Examples of soft skills are time management, teamwork, adaptability. Your education section should be straightforward. List your highest degree first, followed by any relevant certifications or training. Include the degree or diploma title, school name, and graduation year. If you have relevant certifications like PMP, AWS Certified Solutions Architect, or First Aid, include them here. Example: Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of Toronto, 2020. Before you submit your resume, always take the time to proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes can leave a bad impression on employers. Even one typo can hurt your chances, so be thorough in checking for errors. Make sure your resume is ATS-friendly, applicant tracking system. This means using standard fonts and formatting, and including keywords from the job posting. Ensure that your formatting, like font size and bullet points, is consistent throughout the resume. And there you have it, a complete guide to writing a Canadian-style resume. Now that you're ready, it's time to apply for your dream job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more career tips and job advice. Comment below if you have any questions or need help with your resume.